What if money were not important? What would you do? What purpose would you fulfill? Today we are no longer really building up anymore our personal CV. We're building our personal brand. And it is probably easier than ever using the tools of the digital world in order to create our digital presence. In this course, we're building upon the basic ideas of branding, which is one of the core marketing disciplines. In branding, we try to create a significant and differentiated presence in the market. The idea of this course is to create a very hands-on, practical approach where students are asked to find their own passions, their skills, in order to create a personal brand by using all kinds of the digital tools available to us.
This class is designed to be your very first branding class. Thus, we will start from the very beginning. We will teach you the fundamentals of branding and show you how you can use the most recent social media platforms to create your own brand.
This course is set up as an interactive workshop. We will introduce you to practical tools like Google Analytics, Google AdWords and Google Optimize, and we will show you where you can find content and how you can schedule and automate posts on social media platforms.
Further, we will look into the most recent trends and developments in digital marketing.
And finally, we will start the growth hacking and we will learn how we can track the success of our online strategies by using simple analytics and A/B testing, and how we can engage a larger audience to listen to our ideas.
It's a kind of setup. I think every student who wants to start a company should get the information that is provided here. And the content is really well packed and structured here.